Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you the collection of from workshop scrap to luxury crafts design ideas or turn wood offcuts into high-profit designs. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The transformation of discarded workshop scrap into high-margin woodworking products begins with a shift in perception. An understanding that value in woodworking is not determined solely by the size or cost of the material, but by the creativity and intention applied to it. In many workshops, piles of offcuts, shortboards, irregular fragments, and leftover strips accumulate as the byproducts of larger projects. These pieces are often pushed aside or viewed as waste simply because they are too small for traditional furniture construction. Yet within those fragments lie extraordinary possibilities. With thoughtful design, intentional finishing, and smart positioning, these overlooked materials can evolve into sophisticated wooden creations capable of competing in high-end markets. The first step in bridging the gap between scrap and premium craftsmanship lies in recognizing the aesthetic potential hidden within small pieces of wood. Every offcut retains the same grain patterns, color variations, and natural textures that made the original board desirable. In fact, smaller fragments often contain particularly interesting sections of grain that would otherwise be lost during conventional milling. When artisans approach these scraps with a design-focused mindset, they begin to see them not as leftovers, but as raw ingredients for new forms of expression. By arranging multiple pieces together, aligning grain directions carefully, and experimenting with geometric compositions, even the most irregular fragments can become visually striking. A collection of narrow strips might form a dramatic panel of contrasting tones, while blocks of different species can create layered patterns that feel modern and intentional. In this way, design becomes the bridge that transforms scattered material into a cohesive object with artistic identity. Rather than allowing the limitations of scrap wood to restrict creativity, skilled makers use those limitations as inspiration, allowing the size and shape of each piece to influence the final composition. This approach often leads to designs that feel fresh and contemporary because they rely on contrast, rhythm, and balance rather than traditional large-scale construction. Once the design concept takes shape, intentional finishing becomes the next essential step in elevating scrap wood into premium products. Finishing is far more than a protective layer applied at the end of a project. It is the stage where the hidden beauty of the wood is revealed and refined. Small pieces that once appeared dull or mismatched can become visually unified through careful sanding and finishing techniques. Sanding smooths transitions between different fragments and prepares the surface to reflect light evenly, while finishes such as natural oils, waxes, or matte sealants deepen the color of the grain and highlight subtle variations in tone. The key to successful finishing is restraint. Instead of burying the wood beneath thick coatings, artisans often choose finishes that penetrate the surface and enhance its natural qualities. When applied carefully, these finishes create a soft glow that accentuates the character of the material, allowing each grain line and knot to contribute to the overall aesthetic. This process can transform even the most modest offcut into something that feels refined and deliberate. The tactile quality of a well-finished wooden object also plays a significant role in perceived value. When a customer touches a piece that feels smooth, balanced, and carefully crafted, the experience communicates quality in a way that words alone cannot. Through finishing, the maker adds an invisible layer of professionalism that elevates the object from simple craft to polished design. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. However, design and finishing alone are not enough to transform workshop scraps into high-margin products. The final and perhaps most critical step lies in smart positioning, how the finished pieces are presented, described, and integrated into the broader market. Many artisans underestimate the power of storytelling and branding when it comes to selling their work. Scrapwood items can easily be perceived as inexpensive or casual unless they are positioned within a narrative that highlights creativity, sustainability, and craftsmanship. By framing these creations as examples of resourceful design and environmentally conscious production, makers can shift the perception of their work from recycled leftovers to thoughtfully repurposed materials. Modern consumers increasingly value sustainability and originality, and scrapwood projects embody both qualities when presented correctly. Instead of apologizing for the humble origins of the material, artisans can celebrate it, emphasizing that each piece represents a responsible use of resources and a commitment to minimizing waste. This narrative resonates strongly with buyers who appreciate objects that combine environmental awareness with artistic value. Positioning also involves understanding the aesthetic preferences of contemporary markets. Many high-end design trends emphasize minimalism, natural textures, and authenticity, qualities that align perfectly with scrapwood creations when designed thoughtfully. Small objects with clean lines and carefully arranged wood patterns can easily complement modern interiors, where simplicity and natural materials play a central role. For example, a compact wooden accessory crafted from contrasting offcuts may appear far more interesting than a mass-produced plastic alternative. In modern homes and offices, these pieces function not only as practical items, but also as decorative accents that add warmth and individuality to a space. When artisans photograph and present their work within well-designed environments, the perceived value of the object increases dramatically. A simple wooden piece placed within a stylish interior context immediately suggests that it belongs in a curated living space rather than a workshop. This visual storytelling helps customers imagine how the object will enhance their own environment, which in turn supports higher pricing and stronger demand. Another important aspect of smart positioning is recognizing that smaller items can actually thrive in premium markets because they offer accessibility without sacrificing artistry. Large furniture pieces often require significant investment from buyers, but smaller wooden objects allow customers to participate in handcrafted design without committing to major purchases. This dynamic creates opportunities for artisans to build a loyal audience by offering thoughtfully designed pieces that feel collectible. When customers encounter a beautifully crafted object made from reclaimed or scrap wood, they often appreciate the idea that the piece represents creativity and sustainability combined. The fact that the material once existed as discarded fragments adds a layer of intrigue and admiration. Buyers enjoy owning items that demonstrate ingenuity, and scrapwood creations naturally embody that spirit of transformation. As artisans continue to experiment with this approach, they often discover that the process itself becomes a source of inspiration, proving that artistry and profitability do not depend on expensive materials or elaborate tools. Instead, they emerge from the ability to see potential where others see limitations. By embracing this philosophy, woodworkers can transform their workshops into spaces of innovation where even the smallest scraps become the starting point for meaningful design. In doing so, they not only expand their creative horizons, but also demonstrate that sustainability and economic success can coexist within the same craft, turning overlooked remnants into desirable pieces that enrich both homes and markets. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked from workshop scrap to luxury crafts design ideas or turn wood offcuts into high-profit designs. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.